Hello, this is Daniel, and today I'm going to show you how to set up your alarm settings on the Supra-Touch. First, let's go to the menu, and then Settings. From here, we'll go to Alarms, and here we can see we've got the zone of the alarms that we are setting up, as well as the current status. So here, if we wanted to, we can cycle through Zone 3, Zone 4, Inlet 1, temperature probe. We've got all the different specific alarms all the way through and then back to Zone 1. So here, the zone alarms, you've got your high temperature alarm and your low temperature alarm, and then you've got your compensation offset. This you can use if you have an outdoor temperature sensor or probe enabled. And this basically just allows if your outdoor temperature plus your compensation offset is higher than your high alarm, then that value is going to be the new high alarm. So if it's really hot outside, your barn is struggling to keep the temperature low, you can say we're going to take that into account and we're not going to trigger that high temperature alarm because we've got this compensation. That will continue going up until we reach this high maximum. So right now, the high alarm is 95. So if the outdoor temperature was 92 degrees, plus our 5-degree compensation, if that was enabled, then our adjusted high alarm would be 97 degrees rather than the 95. And if the temperature rose, it's 93 degrees outside. Now we're at 98. If the temperature rose again, now we're at 94 degrees. We've reached our high maximum. So 94 degrees plus the 5 makes 99, but we're capped out because we're saying at 98 degrees, that is the hottest we want it in the barn. And so we need to alarm at that point. And so that's where that compensation offset stops adjusting that high alarm up, and it's just going to set off the alarm. So that's that one. As far as the other equipment goes, I will just quickly cycle through here. Inlets, you've got the Actuator Jam Alarm. And actually, I will just note, normal alarms are 1 minute that they need to be above or below the alarm temperature for the alarm to trigger. Actuator Jam Alarms are 20 seconds before they will trigger that jam alarm. Other ones, we've got individual high and low alarms for your different temperature probes, outdoor probes. Humidity, you can have high and low alarms, as well as if you have a light sensor in there. All of these are pretty self-explanatory. So that is the alarm setting in the Supra-Touch, and I will see you guys in the next video.